Hey, good morning, everyone. Thought I'd just turn this camera on, show you guys with the TCC Targets indicator, a trade that I had started yesterday, which is a very, very risky trade. I don't recommend that you do this. And if you do this with money that you can afford to lose. But I had started a very high leverage trade, 33x leverage yesterday on Bitcoin. I've gone ahead and it's already gone through several of my take profits right there. It's already finished several of these levels. It's just waiting for the last one right there. So you notice here that that is my potential 43,678 is my final take profit level. I think it's very possible that Bitcoin could continue faster than this. However, I'm happy with this one and then to do another trade. And so you can see that we're probably pretty close to hitting that level here. You'll notice that I'm looking at put this over here. I'm looking at a 4-hour chart right now. If I look at the 1-hour chart, I can see that, we're going up here. Our prior wick was right here on a 1-hour chart. So we're getting pretty close to that. I am monitoring this because if I see this start to back off, or if I see this arrow flip, I'm going to quickly sell out of that trade. I've already got, actually I don't have my stop loss set right now because I've just kind of manually been watching this. But I never go to bed at night if I don't have my stop losses set or if I don't have a move to break even on there. Looking at the 2-hour chart here, you can see the potential targets are here. Remember guys, these are just potential targets. They can change. Look at the 6-hour chart. I think there's a high probability that we're going to go up there and tap that. I have my take profit set for lower than that, 43,654. This is 43,678. I always like to go a little under that because it doesn't always hit that exact take target, 12-hour. If I look at the 1 day, 43,668. So I'm just trying to get that last little bit of juice out of this. Again, I don't recommend that you use 33x leverage. It's easy way to get wrecked. There are occasions that I will do this. Look at this 5-day chart, 43,640. Weekly chart does show 41,876. So it looks like we'll probably back off. Monthly chart, 41.8. So we're probably going to go tap this high here. I'll put it on a 1-hour chart so you can see this. And we could go higher, guys. But when I'm on a high leverage trade like this, I don't let these things run for very long because you can quickly come back down before you head back up. So we'll let this play out here so you guys can see this in action. Make a quick $5,000. We'll let that go. We see that candle is pumping. As you guys can see, the rest of the markets are pumping right now. They call this the Santa Claus rally. Injector protocol has just been on a tear. It's been amazing to watch that thing. All your altcoins are just doing significantly well right now. If you would have looked at the TCC targets yesterday on these altcoins, you could have taken several positions. It also works the opposite way, guys. So when this hits 43,654, that is a spot where you can take short positions. Although I would be very, very careful of taking short positions right now as we are trending up. And watch this. Here goes the candle. Here goes my trade. I've seen it time and again. It's going to tap it. It's going to take my profit. It's going to do that sell, most likely. You can see that candle going up there. But again, guys, be really careful of doing shorts when you have a big, big market pump like this. It's fighting. It's fighting. Let's see if it gets up there. So again, guys, as long as you have your stop losses set, you don't have to sit there and baby these things. I had a trade last night where I just made a quick 50 bucks. I've got another trade over here, sitting here on Link, right there, just a quick $24. That was when I just set the TCC target levels, and I did a market order. Ooh, we're getting so close to our level. About ready to hit our take profit level. Boom, there we go. Just did it. So if I look at this one here, I just made $5,223. I placed that trade yesterday using the TCC targets, and it's continuing to go up, but we'll see. We'll see what the TCC targets say to do now. Most likely it's going to bounce down from this level, and then we'll kind of see where the new targets hit, where this resets. So not too bad. If I were to go on a 15-minute chart now, I can see that now it's saying 43,609. 30-minute 43,625. 43,654. 43,779. 43,678. 43,678. 43,682. On a daily chart, 43,668. So it will get to a point where it either breaks through. It probably will go back up here on the trajectory that it looks like we're going here. We probably will revisit these levels. But I like to take my profits on the way up and then set up another trade and then just kind of watch my target. See how that's backing off there now? 43,608. So I went ahead and took my profits, guys. I'm super happy with that. And that's how you do it. You guys want to see a couple other altcoins? Throw up a couple of altcoins. So we look at DOT. Let's put this on a 1 hour chart. See, DOT's showing it's going down. Shiba Inu's showing down. Doge is showing down. Move that. It's at the point of control, so it's not showing anything. Optimism showing up. Doge showing down at these targets here. Litecoin showing down. Matic showing down. Usually after you have a big pump like this, guys, then you'll get a change of direction and you just start it again. So I was up early this morning. I was doing some other projects, so I could have set some trades up to do some shorting. It kind of depends on the chart and where it's at. Let's go look at Link here really quick. So Link now shows me that it's got a potential target down. So I'm going to go ahead and sell this one right now. Close at market price. This is just a real quick one that I set up this morning, and I hadn't taken the time to go ahead and set my stop losses, and I just want to see if we're going to hit those targets. So now what I would do is, for Link, for example, I would set some potential buy areas here, and I would go do it again. I would potentially come in here to go ahead and buy up some of these areas here, and then maybe DCA down for another run up. I could have also started a short from here and short down to here. Alrighty, guys, so that's the power of the TCC targets indicator. It's been an incredibly profitable tool. It's a little bit more involved than setting up bots. You do need to watch it more, but you can set your trades up in advance, set up with your stop losses, and let them run. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to post this out to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're interested in learning about what we do in our strategies, head on down to the description of the video. And there's a workshop you can watch. We pay you $10 in Bitcoin if you watch the workshop, take a short quiz. Alrighty, guys, have a great day.